Good morning, students. So today we are going to start 6th chapter of 8th class, that is combustion and fuel. So before starting this chapter, we should know what is the meaning of combustion and fuel, and how this takes place. We discuss, then we go into the subject. First, our topic name is combustion and fuel. Combustion and fuel. You know fuel. In last topic, coal and petroleum, we have studied that what is fuel. You know examples of fuel. If I supposed to ask what are the example of fuel, that means you can answer that is which burns are considered as fuel and which burns and gives energy in the form of heat. Which burns and gives the energy in the form of heat are called as fuel, means the substances which burns, okay, with the help of oxygen and give the energy in the form of heat are called as fuel. Example for fuel is a common example, cow dung, गोबर होता है ना, cow dung, coal, petroleum, diesel, and kerosene, okay, and LPG gas cylinder, liquid petroleum gas, CNG compressed natural gas. So these are the example of fuels. ये सभी जो है fuel का example है. These all are the example of fuel. Okay, means what does fuel do? Fuel burn in the presence of oxygen and gives off heat. Heat is nothing but a form of energy. We define in 7th class what is heat mean. Heat is a form of energy. Okay, so these are the example for fuel. Now what is combustion? What is combustion means, suppose when we take this fuel, we are going to define what is combustion. Ya Rama. So what is combustion means, let me see here. These are the example of fuel, students: cow dung, coal, petroleum, diesel, kerosene, LPG, CNG. Now see here, we are going to define what is combustion. Very simple. Combustion definition: suppose you take coal, or you take wood, or you take kerosene, petroleum. Suppose if we take coal, and when we burn coal, and how we burn any object, because in the presence of oxygen only. So any object or any fuel burn with oxygen and gives heat. Heat is what? Energy. Very simple. Okay, so coal nothing but fuel. You may take here fuel, burn in the presence of oxygen and gives off heat in the form of energy, is called as combustion. Means combustion. How you define combustion? How you define combustion means combustion is a process in which the fuel burns in the presence of oxygen and gives heat. Again see here, combustion is a process in which fuels burn in the presence of oxygen and gives off heat in the form of energy. Again I am defining, combustion is a process in which fuels burn in the presence of oxygen and gives off heat in the form of energy. This process is called as combustion. Okay, so all fuel react with oxygen and they give they burn and give temperature, that is heat in the form of energy. We learned that magnesium ribbon, we have done this experiment last year. We did in 7th class. Magnesium burn with oxygen and forms MgO. In previous chapter also we wrote this equation. Understand? So दिस इज ऑल्सो एग्जाम्पल ऑफ कम्बिशन रिएक्शन. कम्बिशन जो भी है, कोई भी सब्सटेंस आप ले लीजिए, वो ऑक्सीजन के मिलके बर्न होता है और हीट रिलीज करता है, उसी को हमने कम्बिशन रिएक्शन बोलता है. Okay, so all fuels, they burn in the presence of oxygen and releases heat. Heat is nothing but energy. So combustion. So those substances, those fuels are those substances which react with oxygen and releases heat are called as fuels. So few substances which burns with oxygen and few substances they do not burn with oxygen and they do not. सपोज हमने एक स्टोन ले लेंगे और उसको ऑक्सीजन से बर्न करेंगे तो क्या वो बर्न होगा? नहीं होगा. तो हमने whether the substance burn or not burn with oxygen, by that we can divide substances into two categories. That is, number one, combustible substances. Combustible substances are fuels. Second one, non-combustible. Non-combustible. So these are two category of substances. First one is combustible substances, second one is non-combustible. Combustible means what? Suppose cow dung you take, or coal take, or petroleum, anything, magnesium ribbon you take and burn in the presence of oxygen, they get burned and they releases heat in the form of energy. So those substances which burn in the presence of oxygen and releases energy are called as combustible substances. Example are all fuel, suppose coal, petroleum, these are. Non-combustible substances means suppose you take rock, any rock you take, okay, so rubber, so these are non-combustible substances. Okay, जो बर्न होता है ऑक्सीजन के साथ और हीट रिलीज करता है उसको कंबिस्टेबल बोलता है, जो नहीं है उसको नॉन कंबिस्टेबल सब्सटेंसेस बोलते हैं. कंब्यूशन मीन्स व्हाट? द प्रोसेस इन विच substances burn in the presence of oxygen and releases gives off heat is called as combustion process. So on this combustion process we divide substances two category: combustible substances, non-combustible substances. Which burns are called as combustible substances, which do not burn are called as non-combustible substances. Okay, so here when burns these substances, few substances give flame whereas few substances they do not give flame. When we burn magnesium ribbon, it burns, it gives flame. When we burn candle, it will give flame like this. Okay, ये candle ले लेंगे हम तो flame देगा. Whereas if we take a coal and burn, coal does not give flame. क्या coal के ऊपर flame आता है? नहीं आता है. So all fuel do not give flame. Okay, suppose if you take matchstick, in your textbook there is a table given regarding matchstick. Earlier matchstick first invented in Turkey. Okay, so nowadays matchstick जो देखिए ऐसा होता है, तो ये मैचस्टिक्स के ऊपर जो केमिकल कंपोजिशन होता है इसमें एंटीमोनी ट्राइसल्फेट और इसमें वाइट फास्फोरस और सब्सटेंसेस केमिकल डिफरेंट केमिकल सब्सटेंसेस होता है. जब हम इसको रब कर देते हैं तब ये जल देता है मैचस्टिक के साइड में. सो कोई भी एक सब्सटेंस वो बर्न होना है, ओके, वो कंब्यूशन होना है तो मिनिमम टेम्परेचर चाहिए. मीन्स द मिनिमम टेम्परेचर, ये वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन दिस चैप्टर. द मिनिमम टेम्परेचर at which substances catch fire and starts burning is called ignition temperature. means if any substance, if it's want to burn, okay, we have to supply a minimum temperature. मतलब हम कुछ ना कुछ थोड़ा टेम्परेचर देंगे ना, हीट, तभी वो फायर कैच करेगा, बर्निंग होना शुरू करेगा. एग्जाम्पल, मैस्टिक कॉमन, हम मैस्टिक को ऐसे ही रख देंगे. मैस्टिक को क्या वो मैस्टिक्स बर्निंग होगा अपने आप? नहीं होगा. वो बर्निंग होने के लिए टेम्परेचर चाहिए. जब हम ऐसे रब करते हैं तब वो फायर कैच कर लेता है और बर्निंग शुरू हो जाता है. मीन्स द मिनिमम टेम्परेचर वेयर सब्सटेंसेस कैचेस फायर or they start burning, that temperature is called as ignition temperature. Example, listen students carefully. See here, अब देखिए ये मैस्टिक है. क्या ये अपने आप जल रहे हैं? ये मैस्टिक्स नहीं है ना. जब इसको रब करता है, यहाँ देखिए रब कर रहे, रब कर रहा है, जल गया है. क्यों? रब करने से टेम्परेचर, आप ऐसा रब कीजिए, so you feel temperature hot. So when we rub the mastic, what happens? The temperature increases. At the temperature, this chemical composition start ignition, means they start ignite. Okay. Okay. So the minimum temperature, जिस टेम्परेचर में कोई भी सब्सटेंस वो कंबशन होना शुरू होता है, उसी को हमने इग्निशन टेम्परेचर बोलते हैं. ठीक है. सो दिस इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो दिस इज़ टुडेज टॉपिक.